Can you purify your air without buying an expensive filter? Let's be honest, clean air used to be free. You just opened a window and took a deep breath. Now, that breath might come with a generous side of wildfire smoke, fine dust, and a mystery chemical that smells suspiciously like melted plastic. So you go online to buy an air purifier and whoa, why do they all look like small robots that want to sell you cryptocurrency? $399 for a box that blows air and says whir? There has to be a better way. And guess what? There is. You can actually clean your indoor air without giving your wallet a panic attack? And yes, the science says it works. Picture this. You walk into your living room with a box fan, a furnace filter, and a roll of duct tape. Are you building a spaceship? Nope. You're making a DIY air purifier, and NASA would be proud. Okay, maybe not NASA, but definitely some smart folks at Stanford and Harvard. Here's how it works. Step 1, get a box fan, the kind your grandma used to cool the whole house. Step 2, grab a MERV 13 air filter. They're designed for HVAC systems, but secretly amazing at trapping nasty particles. Step 3, tape the filter to the back of the fan so air gets sucked through it. Step 4, turn it on and enjoy breathing air that doesn't taste like burning toast. This setup has been tested in actual studies. Results? Up to 90% reduction in PM 2.5. Those tiny airborne particles that love to throw parties in your lungs. Not bad for something that costs less than a fancy dinner. What about houseplants? Okay, plant people, listen up. We've all seen those aesthetic videos, soft piano music, sunlight streaming through a window, and a spider plant being called a natural air purifier. But unless you own an entire jungle, your houseplants are not scrubbing your air like a HEPA filter. Yes, plants are great. They're calming, pretty, and way better listeners than your roommate. But air purifying? That 1,989 NASA study everyone quotes involved sealed chambers and zero airflow. Real homes? Not quite the same. So keep your leafy friends. Just don't make them your entire air strategy. If you're lighting candles that smell like midnight volcano, or spraying vanilla breeze all over the couch, we need to talk. These things release volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Sounds like a punk band, but it's actually bad for your lungs. Other indoor air villains include incense, yes, even the spiritual kind. Frying food without turning on the range hood. Using strong cleaning sprays in a tiny bathroom with no window. And smoking indoors, which apparently some people still do. Even your scented laundry sheets can contribute to indoor pollution. Your clothes may smell like spring meadow, but your lungs are silently filing complaints. Airflow is your friend. When the outdoor air is clean, open those windows. Let the stale indoor air escape and give your walls a breath of fresh air. They've been holding it in since last Tuesday. But when the air outside looks like soup, shut it tight. Seal your windows, run your DIY fan filter, maybe throw in a damp towel under the door for bonus points. Pro tip, if it smells like a campfire but there's no camping involved, keep it sealed. Quick science recap. HEPA filters super tiny holes trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. MERV 13, less sexy name, still traps smoke, dust, and pollen. Your DIY fan filter, weird looking, but incredibly effective. Final thoughts. Here's the takeaway. Clean air isn't just for people with sleek, Scandinavian minimalist homes. You can breathe easier with some duct tape, a trip to the hardware store, and a little common sense. No app required, no Wi-Fi. No monthly subscription, just science, a fan, and you, the unsung hero of your living room atmosphere. So next time someone walks in and says, "What is that contraption?" just smile and say, Oh, that's my lung-saving, particle-trapping, budget-friendly air purification system. Thank you very much. Your lungs will thank you. Your wallet will thank you. And honestly, your cat might thank you too.